So this is the final directions on getting your design to a folder so that I can laser it out for you. Uh, just the fastest way so I can do all of them sort of at the same time. So when you're done with your design, obviously, I think I said this in the last screencast, you want to do a save. Um, and you should know where it's saved to. Mine is saved to the desktop. If you don't know where it's saved to, like if you saved it in the wrong spot, always you can find out really quick by going to File, Save As, and it will show you where it's saved. So right now, mine it will show you the last place it was saved. So save in desktop. So mine is at the desktop, so I know where it is. I don't need to save it again. I'm just going to cancel that out. It just tells me where it is. So now that you're done, you've saved it and everything's all set, done with the design, we can just X this out. Really important when you're done with a piece of software to X something out so that the next person using the laptop doesn't have to see your work sitting on the desktop. So I'm going to X that out. Now I'm back here. I'm going to open up Google. It might be, hopefully it's not open already. If it's open already, there's a chance that someone forgot to sign out. You'll know right away. So what you need to do is, here I'm on the 6th grade design tech site. Next thing you're going to do is you need to go to your Google Drive. So I'm going to open up a new tab. Many ways to get there. There might be a quick link down here. You could go over here, go to Drive. There's a lot of ways to get there. I'm just going to click Drive here. It's going to say Google Drive sign in. There's a good chance that because you've been using this computer that your name will be there. If it's not, then you have to type it in. I'm going to see if my name's signed out. I'm going to sign in. It's going to ask me my password. This is the password you use to sign into your Chromebook. So that's going to sign me into my drive. Now your folder is going to be in a different place than where mine is, but I'm going to show you the name of the folder and then show you how to get your stuff into that same folder same way. So I've shared a folder with you, so you're going to be looking in the shared with me full location. The folder that I've shared with you is not actually in there for me, but when you look for it, you're going to click shared with me, and you're going to look for this folder in the shared with me folder. So I'm just going to root down for a second. You don't have to do any of this. My drive, grades. So the folder you're looking for is a shared folder that I've shared with you. It would be one of your class folders. And for this, since this is grade 6, it's going to be a 6th grade folder. So and for the sake of the screencast, I'm going to use Odyssey 6.5 as an example. So you want to open up folder of your class. As I said before, it won't be here. It's going to be in shared with me. So you're going to look for, it's going to be DTE period, name of your class. Okay. So I'm going to open this one up. And right now there's nothing in there. What you're going to do is you're going to bring your folder your laser file into this folder so that I can have access to it and cut it out for you. So to do that, you can either click the new button here, or you can just right click in this space. For the sake of this, I'm going to hit, so either way, I can hit right click and this window will come up, and I'm going to go to File, Upload Files, or you can hit the new button over here, same thing, File, Upload, doesn't really matter which one, they both work. So I'm going to go to File, Upload. It's going to ask me where I want to find that file. Ours is on the desktop, we checked already, so I'm going to go to Desktop, and there, the full file that you're looking for is going to be an RLD file. Okay, so all laser files are what are called RLD, right there, laser file, RLD. That's a laser file that you need to give to me. So I'm going to select that one, then click Open, and it's going to, and there it is, Willie period laserbox top period RLD. Okay, so hopefully that was clear. If you need to go back and review any of these steps in this screencast, you should do that. The last thing that's the most important of all is that when you're done in this browser area, you want to make sure you sign out, and then you want to close the browser altogether. Okay, so it's really important that you sign out and then X out the browser. I'm not going to exit out because I'm making this recording. But you want to make sure that when you're done with anytime you're done using Google, that you X out the browser.